everyone, welcome to episode 13 of the News November series. I am going to cover some of the key points of the stimulus package announced by Honorable Finance Minister. उससे पहले, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finance Minister announced a new Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana to incentivize job creation. In this scheme, government will subsidize the Provident Fund contribution of both employer and employee, that is complete 24% of the contribution of the basic salary will be borne by Government of India. Eligible होने के लिए आपकी सैलरी 15,000 से कम होनी चाहिए and you should be hired between October 1, 2020 to June 30th, 2021. Government will contribute for the next 2 years. इस तरीके से Government of India is promoting companies ताकि वो और लोगों को hire करें. Next, Government of India, in order to boost manufacturing, will infuse rupees 1.46 lakhs crore in 10 sectors such as mobile manufacturing, electronic components and pharma. Next in the kitty was for home buyers and developers. Developers can sell residential units valued up to rupees 2 crores, 20% below its circle rate. Right now, it is allowed only up to 10%. So if the circle rate is 1 crore, the unit can be sold for at least 90 lakhs. Below rupees 90 lakhs was not allowed as per the income tax restriction. Now this difference between circle rate and actual sale price is allowed up to 20% of circle rate. ये effective up to है June 2021. To boost agriculture, government help करने वाली है fertilizer producing companies को subsidies देकर. And ये companies lower price पे farmers को बेच पाएंगी. And government has decided to infuse 65,000 crore in this area. To give employment in Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana, rupees 10,000 crore will be infused in the current financial year schemes covered in Manrega and PMGCY. And most important one relates to research and development of COVID vaccine. Rupees 900 crore will be allocated to Biotechnology Department to facilitate the research and development of COVID vaccine. Reserve Bank of India has already predicted a strong likelihood of India returning to positive growth in quarter 3 of financial year 2021. GST collections, intakes in bank credits, FDI inflows are signaling towards recovery. Green shoots of economic recovery is also signaled by stock market surge. But still, India needs real growth rate of 9% to reach the 5 trillion economy by financial year 25. Let's see if India able to achieve it. I hope you got a review of the stimulus package announced by Finance Minister of India. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.